What is up YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, I'm excited to bring you my review of the new colorway of the Nike Air Max Deluxe. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are giving away a brand new Yeezy as well as an Epic React Flyknit now that we've hit 30,000 subscribers. You need to follow me on IG, you need to subscribe to the channel, and you need to click the link down below to watch the video where I talk about the rest of the mechanics. Again, I am drawing the winner in just a few days, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel, follow me on IG, hit the link down below. 2 weeks ago, I copped the Air Max Deluxe from Nike. This one I got from Commonwealth over at Greenbelt 5. I picked it up mainly because it just looks so dope, so crazy. I love the waves, I love the lines, I love the color. It's probably something that's so polarizing because not a lot of people will love it. And in fact, a lot of people will probably hate it. But this is a pair that just really talked to me. And this is actually a line of entire sneakers, the different colorways that I already knew that I would want to cop. Again, no judgment guys, walang basagan ng trip. This is something that I really wanted and talked to me for some insane reason. Having said that, I was really thrilled to find out that the newer colorway or the next colorway just came out a few days ago. This is the orange laser colorway. And I mean, seriously, why would you not pick up a sneaker that has orange laser as the colorway or laser orange? So this one just dropped a few days ago, available at Commonwealth, also available at Soul Academy over at BGC. And I immediately went over there to be able to pick it up. This is not cheap, by the way, guys. It sells for a little less than 9,000 pesos here in the Philippines. So it is not something that you would consider affordable. So what's so special about the Air Max Deluxe from Nike? This silhouette, well actually this is the original colorway, the one that I did a review on a few weeks ago. Put the link down below just in case you guys haven't watched it yet. This silhouette actually came out in the 1990s, a little over 19 years ago. What was so special about it when it came out? This upper, you see all the wavy lines. So I'll go to the new colorway. You see the wavy lines that you guys see here, the different colors, the laser orange and the different flashes of light here on the synthetic neoprene upper. This is actually inspired by the ridiculous crazy rave scene in the 1990s. In my time, that was when I was in high school, and that was really what was happening back then. We had like big fish parties, we had rave parties, and that was the cool thing back then. It's actually something that's making a comeback, but I'll talk about that in a bit. Now, rave parties, to the millennials who don't know or the kids watching, is basically a DJ spinning for hours upon hours, just mostly EDM, and then you would have a crazy light show, fog machines, and people just dancing with glow sticks. That's pretty much what a rave party was. Of course, there was alcohol. I wouldn't be surprised if there were drugs going around, but guys, please don't do drugs. Not a good thing. Don't ruin your life. But anyway, so that was the rave scene back then. And that was what inspired the upper of the Nike Air Max Deluxe. And that's why you see the colorway is called Lazer Orange, because of the funky laser lights that would go around, and people would wear like shiny polos. They'd wear like bright yellow things that would glow in the dark. They would, pick up like glow sticks and do like this. And, that was a different part of my life, fond memories. But anyway, yeah, that was the 1990s. But now it's actually making a comeback. You see all of the big festivals. You see artists like Kygo, who's coming to the Philippines, by the way. You see Tiesto and a bunch of other DJs who are just killing it right now with EDM, doing festivals, doing, clubs like Cove Manila and a bunch of other things. So in short, Rave is making a comeback, which I think is a fantastic way to be able to reintroduce the Nike Air Max Deluxe, because it really puts to fore the saying that what is old will become new again. And what used to be so badui or so for the old people is starting to become the cool thing for kids. So yeah, it's a timely reintroduction of this rave influence inspired silhouette. It's not just about the rave story, guys, because this is one hell of a sneaker. You have a full length, that's a full length Air midsole down here, which makes it extremely comfortable to wear. Now, granted, it is a bit a little bit on the heavy side, and it can get a little warm when you wear it for hours upon end, but it is super fun to wear. It is super comfortable to wear, and if you'll wear it for just a couple of hours, it shouldn't be a problem. It also has ridiculous padding in the collar thanks to this furry thing here. Again, it's rave culture, right? Which is also a padded tongue, which gives your entire ankle awesome support. Now, if you move again to the upper, you have mostly synthetic materials that are painted over. This is mostly neoprene. You have some sort of synthetic leather or plastic that run along the eyelets as well as the sides. You have the swoosh logo here with a glossy type of material, and you have a bunch more of other foam type materials here just above the midsole to give it extra cushioning. If you go down to the outsole, it's pretty much rubber, but it does have a flash of color that makes it so cool and so fun. At the end of the day, the Nike Air Max Deluxe is really a neck breaker of a sneaker. It will turn heads, it will grab attention, it will definitely just magnetize and attract a lot of eyes to be able to just look at it because of the funky design of the upper. But make no mistake about it, this is a good sneaker. It represents a lot of history, especially for my generation, which lived through that initial rave phase in the 90s, and now having the opportunity to be able to see it make a comeback now. So do I recommend the Air Max Deluxe? Really depends on you guys. As I said, this is polarizing. Not everybody wants to rock sneakers like this one. Just so happens that I want it and I love it. So if you are on the same boat, if this is the type of sneakers that you would want to rock, then the good thing is that it's available here in the Philippines. Sells for a little less than 9,000 pesos. You can get it again at Soul Academy or you can get it at Commonwealth. My recommendation though is that if you will decide to pick one up, try to get one from Soul Academy. They currently have a promo. It's kind of like a Starbucks card gimmick. If you buy 12 sneakers, you get your 13th free. So you have the entire year to do that. So if you're going to pick up 12 sneakers anyway in the next few months, might as well make them count so that you get an extra sneaker for free on your 13th purchase. So make sure that you do that. Make sure you ask about it if you go to the cashier at Soul Academy. And that's actually it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you follow me on IG. And again, don't forget to hit the link down below so you can see how you can join our Yeezy giveaway. That's it for now. Peace. Have a great week, you all. God bless.